Here's how to draw Stinky Joel from Garten of BanBan. Start out with the eyes. We're going to draw the pupil looking up at an angle. And then draw this eye looking down. Now we're going to draw kind of like a mountain shape. And then we're going to come out, stop here, and then go in for the tooth. And then draw the tooth in the middle. And then a third tooth right here. And then a line that goes down. Then a little tooth here. It curves. And the last tooth comes out like that. I'll draw a straight line here, and then curve. We're going to draw a line here, and then draw the arm. Come down here, draw the elbow. Then the line comes up and gets narrower. Then we're going to draw a curve here that turns into the finger. And draw some little curves here for the fingers. Then a smaller finger underneath that's shorter. We're going to come back up to the head, draw a line that comes out here. We're going to draw a spike. Draw a lumpy line that comes into the head. We're going to draw a shoulder. The line goes all the way down. And draw a line starting here that goes all the way down. Then we're going to draw a hook. We'll come back up here and finish the hair. Come under this arm and we're going to draw a curve. Then come under the mouth and we'll draw a curve that comes in like this. And then draw the bottom of the foot. And draw a little line over the foot. And then continue the toe on this side. Come over here, we're going to draw a curve. Then another one. Draw a little line here. And then draw the toe. It goes into it. And the last toe. And that's how you draw Stinky Joel from Garten of BanBan. Thank you a lot for watching and subscribing. Like the video if you liked it, and be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel.